Hello, in this video I am gonna show you how to set up Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. First you have to go on a Google, tap on a profile, go in a setting, scroll down. Here you can find Google Assistant, tap on it, again scroll down, go in a general setting, tap on it, turn on, come back. Here you can find Hey Google and Voice Match. To set up Google Assistant, tap on it, enable it, more, I agree, more, I agree. Hey Google is ready now. Next. Hey Google, set alarm at 7 a.m.
Alright, when's the alarm for?
7 a.m.
You got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Google set my alarm at 7 a.m. Now let's check. My alarm is already set up. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this. Please make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.